What's that?
Clear glue. 1 cup. Now, cornstarch. 2 tablespoons. And now, shaving cream. Now baking soda. 1 teaspoon. And now body lotion. 1 tablespoon. And now food coloring. 15 drops. Let's mix it up. Nice color. And now we can add blend solution and then glitters if you want. Little by little. Till it gets sticky. And glitter. Little bit more glitter. Let's try to take it out. And let's have fun with it. It is fabulous now. And I love the glitter so much and the beautiful color. It's great.